here a bottle of fizzy drink. Church, what is in this bottle? Yes, fizzy drink. I will now demonstrate what it can do. It looked like a normal bottle of fizz, but with a little shake, it flowed out and went everywhere. Me shaking the bottle is an example of us asking God for something, and it is part of His plan. He will answer. The fizz rising and going everywhere is a visual example of God's overflowing blessings on us. God can do all we ask for and much more. You are God. You are God. You are God. You are God. The balloon. Question. What material is this? Yes, it is all three of those. What size is it? Is it weak? Yes. Now I will blow this balloon up until it's big enough. We thought the balloon was tiny small, but when we fill it up, it's much bigger than we can imagine. That's what God's power inside us does. He fills us with much more blessings. That's why it's important to have God in our lives. This is life without God, small, weak, tiny. And this is life with God, filled with blessings. God can do all we ask for and much more. Is this big? No. Just like this tape measure didn't start where we thought. God's power doesn't start where we think. It can go further and higher and deeper than we can imagine. Remember this, God's love and power has no limits. It can stretch further and further, just like God's blessings in your life. God can do all we ask for and much more. You are God. by looking at this what the puzzle is, what the picture is? Yes, the answer is no. Now I show you the full piece. You see, we only see one small piece, but it is God who sees the bigger picture. God has we already asked for, and much more.
You are
Jesu fafesai momea tasiai matole fanau. Amen. Jesu.
You are great, 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 great. You are great.